In Baselworld 2018, Rolex released a series of all-new GMTs. Now we've all seen the steel red and blue Pepsi, but here we have the Everose GMT Master 2s. One in Rolesor, which means two-tone, and the other in solid Everose Gold. 40mm in diameter and 47mm lug to lug. Both feature an 18-karat gold rotatable bezel with a black and brown Cerachrome ceramic insert with engraved numerals and graduations, a black dial with 18-karat gold hour markers and hands with long-lasting blue chromolite luminescence, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with a Cyclops lens over the date register, a winding and setting trip-lock screw-down crown and case back, and the all-new in-house calibre 3285 automatic movement with a 70-hour power reserve. The two-tone features an oyster steel case fitted on an Everose Rolesor oyster bracelet, weighing in at 6 ounces. And the solid Everose Gold has an 18-karat gold case fitted on an 18-karat gold oyster bracelet, a total weight of 7.8 ounces. Both waterproof to 100 meters and equipped with a folding oyster lock safety clasp with a 5mm EasyLink comfort extension. This is the very first time Rolex has ever used Everose on a GMT, and it worked out beautifully, especially for those in search of a luxurious sport timepiece with warm, elegant tones. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more watch reviews and tutorials. And as always, shop at DavidSW.com for trusted online watch sales.